DJI is gearing up for a busy summer with several exciting product releases on the horizon. While the recent buzz was centered around the DJI Neo, newly leaked images of the DJI Air 3S have quickly shifted the spotlight. These leaks reveal more about the anticipated camera upgrades, reminding us of the feature-packed DJI Air 2S, which offered incredible value at an affordable price. The upcoming Air 3S is set to follow in its footsteps, bringing back the highly anticipated 1-inch sensor that was missing in the regular Air 3. Let's dive into what could be DJI's most popular drone yet, and explore the key upgrades we've seen in the Air 3S prototypes. We've just seen the first hands-on picture of the DJI Air 3S, thanks to the insightful update from Osita LV. This new image provides a clearer and more detailed view of the drone, revealing some exciting features. According to Osita LV's tweet, the upcoming Air 3S will be equipped with a 1-inch ultra-wide lens. This new lens will not only capture wider and sharper images, but also improve performance in low light conditions, giving you better control over your shots. Additionally, the ultra-wide lens will allow for zooming in on distant objects without sacrificing resolution. The Air 3S will also feature a 14-stop exposure range, enhancing its dynamic range. This means you'll have more flexibility when photographing sunsets and landscapes. Improved noise reduction will ensure vibrant and clear images, even in nighttime aerial shots. Osita LV also mentioned that the Air 3S will support panoramic shots up to an impressive 13,000 by 6,500 pixels. However, the main camera will likely retain the 1-inch 48-megapixel sensor found in its predecessor. Further images shared by Igor Bogdanov show that while the Air 3S closely resembles the Air 3, the gimbal design has been significantly redesigned to accommodate the larger sensor. This new gimbal has a slightly rounder shape on top, but overall, the external differences are minimal. DJI seems to be bringing substantial upgrades to the Air 3S, continuing the trend seen with the Air series. In addition to the camera improvements, the Air 3S will feature omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and an infrared sensor on the bottom of the drone, enhancing safety and ease of flight. It will also include OcuSync 4+, providing live transmission within a 20 kilometers radius. While the release date remains uncertain, frequent leaks suggest a potential launch around September 5th. With these powerful camera upgrades, the Air 3S is set to be a strong successor to the Air 2S. The big question is whether DJI will keep the price reasonable. The Air 3 starts at $1,099 with the RC-N2 controller, so a price point around $1,499 for the Air 3S seems likely if DJI aims to maintain good value for money. As we eagerly await the official release of the DJI Air 3S, it's clear that this drone is shaping up to be a remarkable addition to DJI's lineup. With its impressive camera upgrades, enhanced features, and improved safety mechanisms, the Air 3S is poised to deliver exceptional performance for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. What do you think about these new updates? Are you excited about the 1-inch ultra-wide lens and the enhanced features? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay informed about the latest drone news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.